Welcome to the new Kids Corner. Hi friends, let's learn about the letter R. R is the 18th letter in the English alphabet and it is classified as a consonant letter. Here is a letter R in uppercase. It is also known as a big or capital letter. Now we are going to write uppercase A. Start with the top and make a line down. Then go back to the top and go around to the middle. Next make a line down to the right. Now you try. Here is a letter R in lowercase. It is also known as a small or simple letter. Now we are going to write lowercase a. Start with the middle and make a line down. Then go up and round to the right. Now you try. Shall we learn words starting with letter R? R is for rabbit. R is for raccoon. R is for racket. R is for radio. R is for radish. R is for rain. R is for rainbow. R is for raincoat. R is for rake. R is for rambutan. R is for raspberry. R is for rat. R is for rattle. R is for razor. R is for red. R is for refrigerator. R is for reindeer. R is for remote. R is for reptiles. R is for rhinoceros. R is for ribbon. R is for rice cooker. R is for rice. R is for ring. R is for river. R is for robe. R is for robin. R is for robot. R is for rock. R is for rocket. R is for rolling pin. R is for roof. R is for rook. R is for rooster. R is for root. R is for rose apple. R is for rose. R is for round. R is for rug. R is for ruler. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on my next video. Love your venue.